Hi everyone, my name is Medha and I'm here with Ankit today. And we wanted to start this session with a quick finance roundup. So, basically, every week we want to bring to you trusted news and updates from the world of personal finance. This summary is curated by Ankit. Each week, he will bring to you the most exciting and relevant financial news, insights, and trends, all under 10 minutes. Because we know you're busy and don't have time, but you still want to stay ahead of the financial game. So, do join us every week to up your financial knowledge level and make informed choices. So, yeah, Ankit, over to you.
Thank you, Nida. So, guys, we'll be starting with recent updates. It's not specifically just for 1 week because this is the first episode that we are doing. And to get started, the first one is in response to a question that was raised in our community by one of our members. It's about the new TCS rules. TCS is tax collection at source. So this is relevant to anyone planning international travel or investing in foreign assets or pursuing higher education overseas. Now, starting 1st of October this year, any remittance, any amount that you're sending out, which is exceeding 7 lakhs in total in a financial year, it will attract a TCS of 20%. Okay, medical and educational expenses won't be counted at 20%. So what this means is, suppose I'm traveling to Europe with my family, and I'm expecting that the expense will be 10 lakhs. So when I'm making the booking and loading my forex and stuff, I'll have to pay additional amount. How much additional? So instead of 10 lakhs, I'll have to pay 12.5 lakhs. 20% of it will be deducted. So, 2.5 lakhs goes away. And 10 lakhs is something that I'll be able to use for the expenses. Now, this 2.5 lakhs is not lost. But when I file my tax return next year, I'll be able to claim this as tax deduction. And, if I have overpaid my taxes, I'll be able to recover that. Okay, and one of the reasons behind doing this is there have been a number of people who have been, number of people who are taking international travel is much higher than the number of people filing for taxes. Just to bring them under the tax, bracket, and so that they can file taxes, this has been introduced. So hopefully, this will increase the number of people filing tax returns. This is the first one. Next one is small saving schemes like PPF, which is Public Provident Fund, SCSS, Senior Citizen Savings Scheme, Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, National Savings Certificates. Things like these accounts like these, post office deposit, will be frozen if you have not added your Aadhaar and PAN to these. So if you have not done that, you should ideally do it ASAP so that you can continue using these accounts. Next one is birth certificates. So earlier, birth certificate had its charm, and then somewhere in the middle they lost their sheen, but they're coming back now. So it has become the single document for admission to an educational institution, issuance of driving license, voter ID, Aadhaar number, registration of marriage, or appointment to a government job. So if you have it for yourself, great. If not, if you can get it for yourself, great. Otherwise, at least make sure that you have it for your younger ones. Now, the next one is about 2000 rupee notes. Earlier, the deadline was 30th of September to exchange these notes, 2000 rupee notes. It has been revised to October 7th. People were given 7 extra days, so if you're able to use it, you should be good there. Now, the other one is when you're thinking of getting a debit card or a credit card, you might have noticed that generally bottom right corner, there is either Visa or MasterCard or Discover, one of these written. Earlier, it was at the discretion of the bank who was the network. So these people are called network. So it was at the discretion of the bank who was getting this, who will be the network. Now, for same card, customers will have the option. What is the network that they would like to have? So, suppose you are someone who likes to travel a lot, various places, remote places, within India, outside India. It's better that you choose a network which has a higher or wider coverage. And relatively speaking, it's Visa. Visa has the highest coverage. So that is something that you should consider. On your mutual fund folios, existing mutual fund folios, demat account, trading account, it is important that you add nominees. If you don't, your account will be frozen. You will not be able to sell anything. Okay, again, the deadline was 30th of September. If you have not done that, it will your account will be frozen. So consider doing that at your earliest convenience. Separately, is the last one here is the rates, the interest rate on fixed deposits have gone up significantly, and India is kind of sitting at a peak of rate interest rates. From here, it is expected that the interest rate may increase by quarter or half percentage, but after that, it's unlikely. And so since the interest rates are good, you may consider, if you're thinking of putting some money in fixed deposit, you should consider putting some money there and booking a fixed deposit for a tenure with the highest interest rate. So generally speaking, currently the highest interest rate is coming for various periods between 2 to 3 years. Various banks are offering highest interest rate at various specific number of days or period. Whichever bank account you have, just check whichever is offering you the highest interest. So this is on the update, on the personal finance front. Mina, any questions?
Nope, that was great. So that's everything that is related to your personal finances that you should know about. And I know we don't have time to read the news. So every week we'll try to tell you what is really, really important and that you should know.